As new documents in the murder of a 5-year-old Jacksonville girl allegedly beaten to death by her mother and her boyfriend. We've learned the state is now trying to strip the girl's father of his parental rights to his surviving daughter. I'm John Bachman.
I'm Tanika Hughes. New at 5:30, Action News Jax learned that the charges against Michelle Canamore have been amended. She is now charged with second-degree murder and aggravated manslaughter of a child in the death of her daughter. Action News Jax Beth Rousseau explains the state's case against both parents, even though one is charges had been changed.
We've learned the state is trying to strip both parents of their rights, and we also know that both of them were in the courthouse this morning fighting that move. Zycuria's father, Zafur Robinson, wants his parents to be given custody of his surviving daughter.
Family members of 5-year-old Zycuria Robinson have spent hours in court since the little girl's death, but today they're focused on Zycuria's 6-year-old sister.
And this child has suffered a tragic loss too.
Too emotional to speak on camera, Zafur Robinson and his parents voiced their thoughts through a child advocate. She tells me DCF wants to cut off this father's rights to his 6-year-old daughter, who's currently in foster care, saying he failed to protect her sister from abuse.
He did not know the abuse was going on, and they were trying to get custody of the child prior to.
In October, Action News Jax was in court when Zycuria's mother, Michelle Canamore, and her boyfriend, Jonte Harris, were formally charged with murder. Investigators say 5-year-old Zycuria showed signs of long-term abuse, had human bite marks on her body, and was left unconscious on the couch for 7 hours the night she died.
No child should ever endure what that child did.
Court documents obtained exclusively by Action News Jax detail the state's case to strip Robinson and Canamore of their rights to their surviving daughter. They say the 6-year-old was in the home and witnessed the repeated abusive assaults against her sibling. The family claims they contacted DCF about their concerns for Zycuria and her sister back in August when Canamore stopped contacting them.
They had this child before and took care of her and her sister and did everything they were supposed to do.
We're told after a therapeutic visit on Friday, the 6-year-old will be placed with Robinson's parents. The next court date is set for January 2nd. Reporting at the Duval County Courthouse, Beth Russo, CBS 47 Action News Jax.